Okay. Today's video, let me explain. I'm going to explain how I took all my trades, and I'm going to take record of all the trades. This is the beginning of the trade. I deposited how much? I deposited $11. So this $11, I want to grow it up to $50, or let's say to $100. But I think 50 by $50 is still okay. But I'm just going to show you a process how I'm going to do this. Currently, I'm on a trade. This is velocity 10 index. This is it. This is velocity 10 index. Are you seeing this? It's currently velocity 10. I'm in this trade already. I'm currently on this sell. The trend is a sell trend. So let us see. Let us see how it goes. Okay, guys, you're welcome once. What is still the accounts? You can see this is the accounts. Currently on $35. This trade here. This is on 25 first. 25 first. I entered this trade. I entered this sell. Let us check for the sell. This is the sell for 25 first. Are you seeing it's currently going up now? I saw that, but I sold at this rate, John. I sold at this rate. It got, I took about $1. Then I sold again at this point. To this point, that gave me four to something, $4, and the other profit I had there on 25 first. And the one that is currently running now is $14. This is the 10 index. You get, I was on just one position. I was on one position before this guy came down. Before I saw this bullish candle, I know there's nothing that will happen. This guy will still fall down. So I had to enter another position. I had to go in. This is what is giving me currently. I'm having $37. Okay, remember the plan is $50, but I can raise it to 100. It's very, very possible. But let's just watch it. Let us see how it goes. Though I'm expecting this guy to still fall down. According to my analysis and my strategy, this guy is still going to go down. This guy is going to come down to this down point here. But my target for this first challenge is $50. So that is it. The deposit, everything is still here. You see the deposit $11. I think everything is still clear and active. So let us keep watching. Let's keep watching. It is very, very possible. Things are very possible. So let's end it.
Okay, guys, this is the final piece. This is the final piece. We are here already. Let me see. Oh, it's reversing back. Okay, currently it's on $52. Let's say $50. It's currently on $50 already. This is the account. So, actually, this is the history. It still remains the same. Nothing has been added. It is still from $11. Currently, we have hit our target. Let us close this trade. Let us close them. Let us see. Let us see. Let us see. Okay, let us close everything. I'm closing what volatility 10 index. Just hold on, I'm going to explain everything, how I entered all this trade. Okay, there's still high probability for this volatility 10 index to fall. But for the purpose of this video, let us close it. Let us close it. Okay, our target has been hit already. Yeah, this is $51. This is it. Everything is here. That's $39 profits. Okay. So how did I make this profit? Let us check the history. The first one here was volatility 10 index. I think volatility 10 index gave me the highest profit. I was selling volatility 10 index. Raising beta volatility 10 index has been on a set trend. If you look at where we will confirm with me. So one thing you should learn from this is that always trade, always follow the trend. The trend is your friend. You must have heard this before. As a trader, you must have heard that the trend is your friend. Always what? Always do what? Always follow the trend. Currently, as you are currently seeing, I was following the trend. I sold. I had a very good point on this. See where this market came to. It came to this portal just to test this broken support turned resistance. So immediately I saw that, I started entering myself from all the way from this point. You see, so when I saw this rejection at this point, this rejection here, this particular rejection, I had to go out of the trade. I'm talking about this bullish engulfing. Excuse me, let me bring out my pen. Bro, sorry, this I'm talking about this bullish engulfing here. When I saw that, I went out. If you can see, before I started doing this video, I was on some sales on this one. Then the next one was step index. I bought step index. Step index is still falling down. I believe this guy will still go more down. I think this guy should fall down to somewhere like here because that's creates double top there already. Okay, so that is that. That was the reason why I entered this step index sell. I was buying before. Look at it. I made some losses. See, I made loss. Step index minus $5. Step index minus $8. You see, so there was some losses I was buying. I made losses. So I bought at this spot at this point it was going up. When it got here, I never knew that was a double top. So it came down. I had to go out. Then I entered the sell. I also made profit from the sell. So the next one I entered was lastly 25 first. This 25 first, see what is currently creating. I sold all the way from here. I explained it on the last session. I sold down all the way from here. So if you notice everything I did here, everything was well precise. They were precise. I never had any trade for too long. I never had probably a loss that okay, this trade is going to come back like this stepping this here. I entered all the way from I sold. I bought from here. It came down to this point. I had to cut off. You don't have to hold a trade for 10 years to say okay, this trade is going to reverse back. It's going to reverse back. Always have always be precise with your analysis, be disciplined. When you say you're going to cut this trade, when it gets to so place, you're going to cut it. When you say you're going to add a take profit and a stop loss, be disciplined to add it. This guy is still going to fall down. This guy is going to fall down, but I'm not going to go in again. I'm already at my $51. So $51 active already. So the things you should learn from this, all the trade I took here, I was following a strategy though. I was following a strategy. Even this particular one here that's coming, there was something he came here to do before it's falling down. So okay. So always, first of all, always follow the trend. One thing, then what? Be disciplined. Always have a proper analysis before taking any trade. Always know your reason before taking any trade. If there's no reason, trust me, you won't be able to manage that trade. Always have a particular reason why you are going into any trade. Always have a stop loss zone. You are not the market. You cannot control the market. Okay, you are not the market. That's why you should always do what? Always have stop loss on your trades. It will help you a lot. No matter how professional you are, if you are trading without stop loss, if you don't even you don't have to set them, but you should know that if this trade gets to so place, you should be disciplined enough to say, I'm going to cut this trade at the so profit, at so loss. You get it? So that is that for this. Also, I have a Signal channel. I think it is on the description of this video. It's on the description of this video, so you can join the Signal channel. I drop some analysis there, daily. Sometimes I drop it there every day. So there's sometimes I drop it there. Sometimes I drop weekly analysis there as well. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, I advise you to subscribe for. There will be more useful content that will be coming in as we progress. Okay. For now, remain blessed. I remain fearless. Bye for now.